Alright, hey guys, thanks for checking out another video with us. We heard today that there are gale force winds out on Lake Superior, so we thought we were going to go check it out. We just hit the edge of Lake Superior, we're at the flat sand beach next to Palisade Head. It's crashing out there. It's supposed to be, I think, 34 to 60 mile an hour winds today. So we're going to keep driving up the North Shore. We're going to head all the way up to Grand Marais. The closer they say you get to the Canadian border, the more severe the storm is going to be. So we're going to head straight up north, and we will fill you in as we go. Hopefully the sound's coming through on this. When it gets windy, you know, it drives me nuts watching these videos. So we'll keep pushing forward. This is the best spot. Whoa. A couple of big ones. Holy. Oh. that was over the boots. Wow. Let's go. Oh, burn.
Soaking wet. You're gonna
I know.
crank that heater up.
Woo.
No, that was some waves, man.
Yeah. Let's clean this off. All right, so we're in the mouth of the Temperance River here. So we went from the Temperance. Actually, we started at Beaver Bay, went all the way north of Grand Marais. Came back here to the entrance where the Temperance goes into Lake Superior, and this is the best spot to see these crashing waves. We're both frozen. The waves came over our knees a couple times.
Oh yeah.
But they were actually rollers like you'd see in the ocean, so super cold. Definitely worth a few.
Cold.
I know. Super cold.
Super.
I think it's 47 degrees out. What's the date today?
The 21st.
21st of October. Yeah, so winter's coming. This is probably the last cool hurrah of the year to do something like this and get soaking wet, that's for sure. So yeah, hit subscribe bottom right. We'll keep pumping these out for you, and we'll see you on the next one.